How to fix blurry story on Facebook. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you on how you can fix blurry story on Facebook, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to actually fix blurry story on Facebook, so if for some reason you're not being able to go ahead and then actually upload stories at proper quality, tap the three lines option from the top right, then simply go to the settings option here, and you can just try to go to mobile data usage. Now here you can see adjust videos to network connections. You can select that. You can see video and so on. You make sure that this option is turned off. Now always try to upload stories using your Wi-Fi instead of your anything else. So just try to use your Wi-Fi here instead of trying to upload anything. Then you can choose a story and then you'll be able to see the video. It will be set in proper quality also. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.